Another alternative after this change of direction is to continue in cross system. For example, a backward ocho. And now my embellishment, because it's with the left, I will do a circle. Backward ocho. Here we can do that same brush at the exit. Not necessarily that you will use all the embellishments all the time. For example, also, one detail here, doesn't matter if you continue in parallel or cross system, leaders put your weight on both feet for that moment that you pause. Then the embellishment, same thing here. Put your weight on both feet, and then the embellishment. But also, you may not do the embellishment. You may do only one. Okay, so play with all these different compositions. No embellishment at all, one embellishment, both embellishment. Cross system, remember leaders, put your weight on both feet before any of the embellishments. For that moment that you pause. Okay, let's try.